Your car is one of the biggest purchases you will ever make. Whether you use your car to make a living, get to work, or even if it's your passion, you need to protect your car with the best technology. Introducing the Vueroid Dashcam system. Vueroid uses the latest in driver assistance technology to keep you, your car, and your passengers safe. With the ability to record front, rear, in-cabin, and external angles, with superior video quality in both day and night. The Dashcam system even offers protection when you aren't in your car with parking mode. When it comes time to download and view your footage, Vueroid offers an easy-to-use user interface. The multifunction UI has multiple viewing options. You can play back in full screen, switch views, mirror footage, and the system clearly records your speed and impact sensor value. With superb video quality featuring panoramic views, easy setup, and driver assistance technology, whatever you use your car for, Vueroid Dashcams has you covered. Vueroid, intelligent, innovative, insightful.